Looking for an upper division class this spring? Enroll in Theater 388. Period, style, and form for the theater. The class meets in person Tuesdays and Thursdays, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. This class is essential for all designers and directors. In this class, we will look at historical styles, periods, histories, and culture. When making design choices and visual storytelling, it's important to incorporate appropriate art, architecture, furniture, interior, and industrial design choices that reflect the period and style that supports the story you're attempting to tell. This class will give you those tools to help make informed choices. For more information about Theater 388, period, style, and form for the theater, email Chris Hansen, CH Hansen @fullerton.edu.